Good morning everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Sam.
I'm Emmy.
And today we're going to draw a
Formula One.
So a Formula One is a really fast car. Basically they are running a Grand Prix every other weeks where all the Formula One competes against each other and obviously the quickest wins. It's really fascinating because on this car there is a lot of technology. Electronic technology, because there is an electrical engine that will complement the combustion engine, but there is also a lot of technology in aerodynamics. It's basically composed of a lot of wings like on planes, but the aerodynamics does actually the opposite as the plane, meaning that the car is sucked by the street and can go really fast even on corners. So it's really fascinating. So today we are going to draw a Formula One car. Let's go, Amy.
Okay, so first we're gonna draw the road. So we're gonna do a straight line. And now we're gonna do two wheels. So one is smaller than the other one. Like the front one is smaller than the...
Okay, two wheels.
Up. So now we're gonna do a line to do. Okay, so now we're gonna do the front of the Formula One.
Yes, and I think they call it the nose of the car. And at the really far end there is a big wing.
Okay, so we're gonna do a rectangle, but it's not completely going to connect. After we're gonna do something to connect it, so a diagonal line kind of. Okay, so now we're gonna draw a little piece because there's still a little piece of this thing. So we're gonna draw it after a diagonal line that's gonna connect to the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
And after we're gonna continue like this, and we're gonna do...
So that's really the front of the Formula One, and in a Formula One there is no doors, there is no windshield, so it's crazy, and actually they have helmets to protect themselves. Okay, so we are...
So we're gonna do a straight line after. We're gonna, like a stair almost, the beginning of the stair. And after we're gonna come here, do a kind of a diagonal line, and we're gonna connect to the wheel.
So this part is called a fin. It's like on sharks, you know, on fishes, they have a fin.
So after we're gonna do the back of the car. So,
the big wings.
So we're gonna do a straight line that's gonna connect to the wheel. And then we're gonna do a line, and we're gonna come in a diagonal, come out, and then do a diagonal line that's connecting to the wheel.
And this little piece here, it sounds strange, but actually you can't see it, but inside the wings there is another part, and it's a moving part. They call it the DRS, meaning that when they are just behind another car, the pilot can press a button and it will open this winglet so that the air can go through and therefore can give more speed to the car so that they can pass the driver in front of them.
Okay, so now we're gonna do
the rear. So this little piece that we are about to draw, actually there is a light so that when they brake, the pilot that is behind the car can see that the car is braking. And it's really useful in case of heavy rain or fog, etc.
Okay, so we're gonna draw a rectangle that's touching the wing. And we're gonna color a tiny bit on the corner to and color in the rectangle.
We might think this part is the exhaust system, but it's not actually. The exhausts, because there are two, are here. They are hidden somewhere here. And what's cool with the Formula One car is that a lot of this technology is applied to regular car that we drive every day. Like in terms of security system and in terms of technology. These cars, they have a combustion engine coupled with an electrical engine. So it's really powerful, but in the meantime, they allow other cars to benefit from all this technology. Okay, what's next now?
So we're gonna draw the camera. So we're gonna do a tiny rectangle over here.
Yes.
And color it in.
So that's where they put the camera so that everybody can watch and pretend to be the pilot.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you color it in black. Perfect. And just in front of this, this is something new from last year, I believe. They've introduced a new device that is called the halo. And actually it's to protect even more the driver. So it's this part that we are going to draw now.
So we're gonna draw two lines next to each other. And we're gonna connect them over here. Close to the wheel.
Yes. And then the pilot sits here and we can see his helmet.
Yeah, I'm gonna
But before, yes, let's color it. Let's color the halo. It's a really resistant piece of carbon, I think, or something really, really strong. So even if the car flips because of an accident, then the pilot is protected. So yeah, let's do maybe the helmet of the pilot.
Okay, so the helmet is gonna be here. So we're gonna do like a C.
Yep.
And we're gonna do the top, so we're gonna pass through like it's passing back.
And on the helmet, you know, there is a hole and there is what we call a visor.
Yeah.
So that it protects the eyes of the pilot.
So we're gonna do like kind of
Yeah, like that.
like that.
And then
So
we
two
can.
lines and connect them together like a rectangle.
Perfect.
Okay, so
Nice. So now maybe what we can do is to put all the rest of the aerodynamics. So here on the side, there is what we call barge boards and air intakes and all this technical stuff. But basically, is that you know the engine of the car, it's here. So you have the combustion engine, and you have an electrical engine and the batteries. So everything is here. But because it produces a lot of power, and you need to put some fresh air inside so that it doesn't burn. So that's why there is on the side two big holes for air intakes and what they call barge boards. So barge boards are aerodynamic system really to help the car to be better. Okay, so barge board over there and
so
big holes, but actually because we see the car from the profile, we don't see really the big holes. So we just see the barge
So
boards.
we're gonna draw a rectangle.
Yeah.
And we're gonna draw a square, and we're gonna draw a line in the middle.
Yes, we can really go crazy here because basically, you know, in Formula One, there are some teams. I think there are 12 different teams, and all the teams, they can do whatever they want. There are some rules, obviously, but in Formula One, unlike other sports, they have some liberty to design their own system. So, yes, we get 3 barge board. It's actually quite good, but you might see different spec based on the brand and on the team. Okay, cool. And then here, I think we need to do this line just to suggest that actually you know, it's
The engine.
the shape of the intakes, and they go
We're gonna do
inside.
a short line and like a wave, so like a rainbow, and come back to connect it to the wheel. Okay.
Inside the wheel, there is what we call rims, and on the rims there is the tire, you know, this rubber band that is black.
Yeah.
So here we should do the rim.
Yeah. So
Like
we're
that.
gonna do. Yeah. So we're gonna do a circle in the middle, and after we're gonna just to make it like turn. We're gonna do two C, a C, and
Yes.
a C not in the right way.
Yeah, that's usually where they put the brand of the tires. So we do like that, and we can do the inside, you know, a little dot like that. That's where
Yeah.
the wheel is attached.
Okay.
It looks really fast.
So now I'm gonna do a tiny line here.
Yes, that's another kind of wing or winglet.
So we're gonna see the top of the
Of the hand, of the wheel,
Yeah.
the wheels. Yeah, absolutely.
So we're gonna do like a line
Mm-hmm.
like this, like if he's driving and this is the top of it. Okay. So
Oh, and
Okay.
a little detail, but sometimes they have like an antenna here.
Yeah.
Did you see that? It's like something. It's even more like that. Sometimes it's like that, and then they have a little antenna here. And this is where the air comes, and it gives a bunch of instructions and
Yeah, so you
information to the
you do-
pilots and the team.
yeah, you do two lines, and after a line that covers anything, and a tiny line.
And the antenna helps to transmit all the data from the car back to the team, and they can analyze with their computer and then tell to the pilot, hey, you should press this button, activate this.
Okay.
Some holes here sometimes in this big wing.
Yeah, so we're gonna do like 4 or 3 lines, like 3 lines, like this. Okay, so
Good. I think we can
should
color
color
it. Good. Okay. So I suggest we don't do the same. We don't take the same colors, because it's like if it's a real race and I will have my car, my team, and you will have yours. Okay?
Yeah.
So like usual, we're gonna fast forward, and you can color it as you please.
yeah, but at the end, if you want to copy us, you're allowed.
And boom! I think I won the race because I colored it before you. I
Yeah.
finished before you. Okay, so why don't we sign the drawing?
Yeah.
And we don't forget to put the date so that it's a good souvenir when you will be a grown-up.
So we're gonna. Here. Okay.
And voila. So we hope you enjoy these drawings. Please feel free to share it on YouTube or social networks and tag us, draw with us. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button so that you will receive a push notification when we will publish a new drawings. We're trying to publish a new video every week. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.